the scheduled caste. The Constitution of India has made certain special safeguards to protect the scheduled caste from all the possible exploitation and to ensure social justice. Not only this, the state has also obliged to ensure this. So now what are they trying to tell us is that it is now in the past what had happened, you all know that people who belong to the scheduled caste community, they were treated very badly. They were not treated as human beings, they were treated like animals, they were beaten up, okay, they were called as achut, and for a very very long time they had been exploited. Exploited એટલે શોષણ થવું. Okay, શોષણ meaning એ લોકો સાથે અત્યાચાર થવા, that is called exploitation. So for a very long time they had been exploited. So it was the responsibility of the government of India and of every government in every state to protect them, and that is why Constitution gives them special benefits. Why are these special benefits given to them? To make sure that such things do not happen in future and that social justice is maintained. Social justice એટલે સામાજિક ન્યાય. Okay, justice or nyay in the society is maintained, and for that Constitution of India really protects them. They get basic fundamental rights and they also get special constitutional rights, and you can in no possible way you can discriminate people from scheduled caste community at all. It is not right to call somebody achut. Just imagine if you're sitting next to someone and someone tells you are achut. How are you going to feel? Okay, or somebody tells you you're from a low caste community. How bad is it? Okay, so just to make sure that it does not happen, Constitution of India has given them special rights, and also special acts have been there, special articles have been made for them, and if anybody breaks that article, you're thrown into jail. Okay. Constitutional provision, Article 14, everybody is equal before the law. Anyone, even a person belonging to high caste community, low caste community, a king or a laborer, whoever it is, everybody is equal before the law. Article 15, prohibition of the discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, etc. Meaning that prohibition meaning not allowed to discriminate. Discriminate એટલે bhedbhav. So you are not allowed to discriminate people on the basis of their gender, on basis of their religion, on basis of their sex, on the place of birth where they are born, caste, color. Okay. Article 16, equal opportunity in the matters of public employment, public sectors ma. Especially, what are public sectors? જે government જે લોકો rule કરતી હોય એને public sectors કહેવાય. Okay, for example, you have your IPS, IAS. Okay, for all these public jobs, public bank jobs, okay, like government bank ma jobs, government schools ma teachers ne jobs. On that, everybody will get an equal opportunity. You have to give a test, you pass the test, you get the job. Article 17, abolition of untouchability. Achut ne remove kari nakhwana, removal of untouchability. Article 46, precautions of of educational and economic interest of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other sections. Protection. Okay, so basically you have to protect the people of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, other backward classes in the regions of employment, in education, etc. Okay, tribes, etc. Article 330, reservation of seats for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe in the House of People. What is House of People? That is your parliament. So reservation of seats for the people of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe community, other backward community in the Parliament of India. Article 332, reservation of seats for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe in legislative assemblies of the state. Legislative assemblies of the state એટલે હર state ની પોતાનું parliament હોય. Okay, that is called legislative assembly. Now in that legislative assembly also, that is in your state government also, reservation of seats should be there for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe. Article 334, reservation of seats for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in the House of People and Legislative Assembly of States to cease after 70 years. Means that after 70 years this reservation of seats will be removed off, because it is believed that after 70 years this equality of the people, okay, wherein people will understand after 70 years that why we did this and they will not require protection anymore. So the reservation of seats for the people in parliament and in politics, that will be removed off after 70 years. Article 335, claims of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe to services and posts, meaning that they are allowed to apply for any post, they are allowed to apply for any jobs. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are total 9 articles given. Please try to remember any 6. Learn easy ones. Okay. Welfare schemes for the scheduled caste. Both the Government of India and Government of Gujarat have initiated welfare schemes and programs for the development of scheduled caste. Okay. So welfare schemes. Welfare એટલે એ લોકોને સારું કરવા માટે, એ લોકોની સ્થિતિ સારી કરવા માટે Government of India and Government of Gujarat have initiated lots and lots of schemes and lot of plans. Friends, you must know the fact that the programs for the government encourages children of scheduled caste to acquire primary and higher education through various measures. So obviously Government of India, government of every state encourages that the children who belong to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe community, they get basic primary and higher education. And for that many rules and regulations, many schemes have been made by the government. There are free distribution of uniforms, ashadam, hostel facilities, waiving of fees, incentives to talented students, scholarship to children of parents engaged in unclean occupation, free food, loans at lower interest rates, training etc. is given. Overseas training etc. is given. So for what do they do for these children? They give them free uniforms. Okay, they give them scholarship. Okay, for those children whose parents are doing unclean jobs. What are unclean jobs? They gutter saaf kare and all these things. Gutter ni andar jaine aapko saaf kare. So that those things are called unclean jobs. So the parents who are doing all the unclean jobs, એ લોકોના છોકરાઓને scholarships આપે. Students who are talented, who have lot of talent, who have the ability to grow, those students are given incentives. Incentives એટલે કા money આપે, કા ખાવાનું આપે. Okay, they are given loans at a very low interest rate. Okay, and basically government has they do overseas training એટલે they train the people, they train the students etc. For income development of scheduled caste people, government gives loan to the farmers, loans for small industries, loan for medical students, lawyers etc. and assistance to enterprising women. So for economic development, they have given loans to farmers. Okay, farmer ne loan આપે જેમાં interest, okay, rate બહુ ઓછી હોય, so they don't have to pay back a lot of amount. Okay, even they give loans to women. Okay, for those women who are doing lot of work in enterprise sector. Enterprise sector એટલે business sector માં જે women બહુ કામ કરી રહ્યા છે એના માટે they give loans. They give loans to small industry. What are small industries? કોઈ લોકો ઘરની અંદર પાપડ બનાવે, અથાણા બનાવે, સાડી બનાવે. Those are called small industries. Okay, so in that small industries they give loan. They give loan to medical students, lawyers etc. In addition to, government has adopted certain other measures and development of scheduled castes. These are encouragement of intercaste marriages and group marriages, housing assistance for below poverty line, household group insurance and assistance in the case of calamities etc. So in addition to that, the government has also encouraged intercaste marriage. Okay, marriages from a high caste to a low caste or low caste to a high caste is encouraged a lot, so that this untouchability problem goes away. Okay, they also encourage group marriages. What are group marriages? સમૂહ વિવાહ જે થતા હોય, they encourage that a lot. They also help those scheduled caste people at the time જ્યારે natural calamities થાય. What are natural calamities? જાણે કે અત્યારના COVID-19 થયું છે, કે floods આવ્યા, કે કોઈ death rates વધી ગઈ, કે વરસાદ નથી આવ્યો. So for all those things the government helps out people from scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and OBC.